Are you an affiliate marketer and think you are rubbish at making content for social media or, in fact, for anything else? So, a friend of mine said she was rubbish at making content for her affiliate marketing stuff. So, I said I'd make a video for her, but I might as well share it with everybody else. So, if you're an affiliate marketer and you have a product to promote, and in this specific example, it can be emails or on Facebook. So I said I would focus on Facebook because that's what she was doing, but this applies for basically every social media. There is a bit of using AI, but I'll just leave that till the end, because what you have is any resources. So if you are promoting a program or a system, they want you to promote it well. They want you to do as best as you can to promote their stuff, so they'll give it to you. So usually they will have something for you already. So especially when you're starting out, of course you want to go into detail, make it individual, but this is it. So I have a program here. Let me go to this thing. There's lots of things here that they promote. This is like some of the standing stuff. If you look, and this is every single affiliate program, if they don't have it easily to access like this, ask them and they'll give you stuff. So for example, let me just pick this one around. So I've got here, that's the promo link, but I've got affiliate resources. So if you go to here, and most of these are generic stuff, so you can kind of use it for anything else. So here it actually gives you emails that you could use. It's got subject lines in here, but if you scroll down all the way down to excuse me, here it's got Facebook posts. So here you can just literally copy it. I suggest you don't actually add any links to that Facebook post, but you can copy that if you want to. Obviously I suggest you change a few words. If you want, you can literally just change a few words, or if it doesn't seem like you, change it. If you don't know what to change, I'll show you how to do that later. But so if you just go to Facebook over here. So I'll just literally show you what you need to do to post content on Facebook. So let's say you've got that. I'm going to paste the content here. But it's like, oh my god, what picture shall I use? I don't have anything. Okay, so what you'll do, especially if most of these have, on most social media has it, you can search for something and just upload it. Or, let me go to that again, there's little 3 dots here. Go to that and go to GIF and just pick something. The whole point of a GIF is not is just to make people look at it. So when they scroll, they'll see a picture. So this is about, actually, let me read what the post is about. Your team is your team. So let's do a thing about teams. Teamwork. Let's do about teamwork. So search for something and don't just pick one. Pick that you like. If you don't like it, then don't pick it. Just pick one and then press post, and that's your first social media post. How to get people to see it is a whole other thing, but that's it. So you've got one piece of content already. And for example, if it gives you lots of emails, let me go back to where it is. I'm totally lost. So if you go to here and actually they just give you emails, what you can do is, instead of, you can just kind of use this as a social media post, so they'll give you that. So this to show you it's for lots of other programs, just to show you it's not just one program. So here's another program that you can purchase, or they'll give you some swipes. So look, this one has literally Facebook posts for you to use, and this is interchangeable. It has a blog post. You can use that as a social media post. Here is another email. You can put this as a headline. So if you want and you're good at Canva, or you can just put it into any kind of program and just make it bigger or something, you can use that as a headline or as a picture, and then you can kind of copy and paste this. Here, I'll show you what you need to do if you want to amend it and you can't think of anything. If English is not your first language and you're not confident in changing it, then I'll show you what you need to do. So here's another thing. So if you go on to Warrior Plus, they give you loads and loads of different things to promote. They usually give you resources for you to use to promote it. So let me just find a resource. Okay, so I have one. So here's just like loads of things. You can get your link, but if you click on a product, and I just clicked this one here at random, this is about swipes, you can go, there's a little section that says view JV page. So when I open that up, it tells you about what you are promoting. You can preview a sales page and get your link, but also what it will do, because it wants you to succeed, is some email templates. Sometimes they'll give Facebook, sometimes they won't. So this is an email template, so you can copy that. That can be your hook or your headline, or you can put in your picture. And here you've got an email that you could use. So instead of using the whole thing, you could maybe copy this and put it into a Facebook post, a Pinterest post. If you're doing a video, you can literally be your script. So you can do a TikTok video going, hey, it's no secret that 95% of affiliate marketers fail. Most people are too busy to make ends meet. And then you can kind of use that. That is physically content. So you can use that. Also, let's do an example on, let's see, ClickBank. So I've got one of these ClickBanks. So I've literally gone to ClickBank. If you don't know, I just clicked on e-marketing, e-business as an example. Then here it gives you actually resources so that you can promote this, for example. You can go to affiliate page, and even if, as I said, there's usually a contact, so you can contact the seller and ask them if they don't have resources. Say, can you give me some Facebook posts or some materials that I can use for content? You can use that. There's also another way. So when you click onto the affiliate page, you go to this section. Some of them has more, some of them has less. So here it will show you about the information, but here are all the stuff that they give you for content. So you've got email swipes as usual, that's a good standard, Pinterest pins, Facebook images, all that kind of stuff. So let's quickly scroll down to like email swipes. So there's lots of emails. You can use that content as your Facebook post if you so wish. Facebook ads, click here for some short ad copy there. So you can start using that if they give you it here. It gives you loads and loads of images as well. And as I said, if you ask them, oh look here, they even give you videos for you to use. You can download them and post them onto your TikTok, your Facebook, your Reels, your Instagram Reels, whatever, if it allows you. It even gives you ad copies. So it gives you all that material there. But I know some people don't want to use other materials from other people, because you want to be original. Even though all of this stuff is proven, they've used it, and usually they want to give you all this stuff because it works. Some of them are a bit lazy and will just rewrite stuff. So what you can do is, for example, if you just go to, you can grab some content. So let's just do this. Let's pick something. Hold on. So here's another one that has some email swipes. So let's scroll down. Let's see if it's got any Facebook stuff. Oh, here we go. Here's some more Facebook stuff. So let's say you want to do this. So if you just copy some of that text, and as I said, in a Facebook post, you don't want to put your affiliate link in there. That's bad for the algorithm. You don't want to do that. You want them to ask you for the link. If you go to the good old ChatGPT, so let's go to ChatGPT. Log in, make sure you're logged in. Easy to create a page, you just put your details in, and you just go into this box. You can do more detailed prompts. So this is just, if you're quick and if you're lazy, just do it. Rewrite this Facebook post. Change the words. Make it original. Or just say rewrite. You don't even have to write that. I just being extra. So actually, let's forget that. You can do that. Let's just do rewrite this post, and I'm going to paste, Control V, paste that Facebook post that we did. I'm going to press that green button, and it's rewrote it. Obviously, take a read at it. It says exciting news today. So I'm going to copy that. Or if you want, you can say rewrite this post, add emojis, but this one's already done emojis. All you do is go to your Facebook page. Because in this example we're doing Facebook. Let's delete this stuff. You can paste it there, and then there you go. That's it. Remember, you can pick a GIF this time, pick a different GIF, and there you go. Simple ways to make a Facebook post. However, if they don't give you that and you can't be bothered to wait for them to I can't be bothered for them to give you materials, what you can do is go to their sales page. So for example, let's go to another. Alright, so this is just a random sales page. So what you can do, so if you have a page, let's pause this video. If you have a page and it's got all the details, most people have spent money and hired copywriters to make their sales page, or they've tested it. So what you can do is actually use their sales page. So she says here, the ultimate email blitz wants to send 5,000 messages emails a day. That's a pretty good headline. So what you can do is copy that into a Facebook post. Let's do a brand new Facebook post. Let's delete that and put that in there. And then just cherry pick some stuff that is outstanding to you, because if it's outstanding to you, then it's probably outstanding to somebody else, or eye-catching to somebody else. So it says includes 500 plus emails to other subscribers, so you can copy and paste that. Or what you can do, if you're being cheap and lazy, you can make a screen cap. So if you've got a Windows PC, you can do a snipping tool, or do a some kind of thing. You can just copy that, press copy of this image. You can copy that image or save it, and then instead of using a GIF, you can paste that there. So now you have that image that they've used. So that's the picture that they've kind of used. If there's other images, I suggest you don't do that, because you might not want to use their material. But I guess this is a quick, lazy, dirty way to do it, and obviously they want you to promote it, so usually they'll be kind of happy for you to do that. If you know how to use Canva, or you've got a text tool, you can use it that. Anyway, blabbering on too much. So yeah, so any sales page. So let me go back to that sales page, and you can just literally pick and choose little sections from it. If you want, you can copy it, rewrite this. So if you want, you can copy all the words from here, for example, and say, go to ChatGPT once again and say, this is from a sales page, make me 10 Facebook posts from it. Paste it there, and obviously you can put Facebook, you can put X, Twitter, Instagram posts, whatever you like, into here, or blog post if you want. You can say make blog posts, do it, and then you'll have that content. So content is super easy. There's hundreds of ways. This is true, but there's so many ways to do that. But I know if you're starting, you want to get out there, you want to be quick, kind of do that. Or go to ChatGPT and say, hey, I need content. I think I've just found a prompt that someone shared on TikTok. Let me see if I can find that prompt. So here's another thing. So someone says, here's a prompt that you can put into Facebook. So it says, act as if you are a social media strategist, content creation coach. You are creative and have wealth knowledge about TikTok. Here you can use about making money online, about Facebook, about whatever. You generate creative content, action-based content ideas, and give details. And then you tell ChatGPT, I want you to create 7 content ideas for the following topics. Here's just an example of the person that did on TikTok. Says the topic is you master your Pinterest SEO. Or you can put in the topic could be you are really good at generating content ideas. And then what you can do is do subtopics. If you want, you can ask ChatGPT to create the subtopics, but here is like all the stuff that you want, and then you just copy this prompt into ChatGPT, a nice new prompt, and paste it, and then it'll start creating those content ideas. And then once it's done, once it's finished, you can go to this little button that says regenerate, and you can press regenerate again, and it will create you another topic that's slightly different. You can just keep going and going and going, and then once it's done, press it again. You have 7 bits of content. So that's so many simple ways that you can make content through there. Of course, you can be all fancy, it can be very complicated, you could spend 10 hours on it, but sometimes if you spend a whole day creating a piece of content, nobody will see it anyway. At some point you want to just have lots and lots of different things. There's also a library of content, so what you can do is if you're on Facebook and you want to create Facebook posts, for example, TikTok, this is just Facebook, but you can do it on Instagram, whatever, go onto the platform, go to your main feed, see whatever people's posting. If it catches your eye, you can get inspiration from them and use that content. So it's very simple. So I hope that helped. Obviously there's lots of things that you may need to add. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm going to put this on YouTube, and if I might put excerpts here on other platforms. If so, comment, ask me questions, and I can be more specific, or I can go into more depth. Alright, I hope that helped. I will put down any other resources in comments, or if there's any questions, I'll put the resources in the descriptions. All right, hope that helps.